Right. Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing today? I ain't sure my face today, but I'm cooking a little breakfast. I'm cooking some fish. I'm outside, okay? This is Robert Sanders. I'm outside of my deck. Not my deck, under my carport. And I'm frying some fish, okay? And I one day I can say, Robert Sanders, I know. But I'm outside now, okay? Now, I'm frying some croakers. See right there, y'all see that real good? All right. The first one there, yeah. It's nice and hot too, man. Oh yeah, nice and hot. I can put a little bit of oil in there. Right on. That's what I'm doing today. Some morning, y'all. Frying some fish. Oh yeah. I'm outside kitchen, the nice air. I'm off today. And fry some fish. And I'm gonna cook some grits later on. But I'll cook grits in the house. But my wife don't want no she didn't want no fish smell in the house no more. So hey, I got my nice stove I bought on Amazon. It's pretty decent, man. Y'all people like to cook. Any of y'all want to like to cook outside? Y'all can get one of these. You ain't gotta use your stove all the time. You know? You ain't gotta use your stove all the time, Bubba. Yeah, make sure y'all shop on Amazon. I hear some boys talking about Amazon now, but don't order from Amazon. I don't know what they're talking about, man. Sorry y'all couldn't see me, but y'all see my hand and everything. Yeah, I just trying to stove up again, and the stove is pretty good, neat. That's about 1800 watts, man. That's pretty good. That's about enough. You can fry anything with this bad boy. Cook anything really, technically. But y'all can see that better. I won't burn the fish. Y'all can see that? Okay. I just want y'all to see. Flip them over right now. Yeah, I don't want to get all burned, you know. I don't like burned fish. I like burned fish. You know what I'm saying? Don't like burned fish, don't. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is a very short video. I just want to do something different. I'm doing outside. I never fried no fish outside, really. But y'all can see me a lot outside, though. Y'all can give me a thumbs up, okay, if you like it. Because I'm outside this morning. It was exactly about 7 o'clock right now. Like I said, y'all, I'm going to cook some grits and everything else, man. Fish smell good, too. And I use all-based season, okay? That's what I use, all right? I use all-bay season, all right? Like she says, she don't want a thing. So that's how it is. So my neighbors pull up. Anyway, rice and fish. Yeah. How you doing? You want some fish? No, I cooking them. You want one?
I'll take one, but I'm getting ready for work. I'll buy one and go out.
You welcome. That's my neighbor, y'all. Yeah, watch out. That's my neighbor. But anyway, there you look. Looking good, y'all. Frying good. I'll give it one. Yeah. Y'all see that? That look good, then. Y'all see that? Oh yeah. Frying some fish, y'all. Frying the fish, y'all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and I hope y'all enjoy a little short version of video. Hope y'all like this video. I mean, it's something different. And I talked to neighbors just now. I asked her if she wanted fish, and she said yeah. So I'm gonna give her a fish. She ready to go to work, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give her a fish. And hope y'all love this video. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy it now. Please, y'all. Thumbs up. How y'all doing today anyway? Y'all doing okay all day? I hope y'all being safe out there, man. You gotta be safe. Got to be safe. You know what I'm saying? Got to be safe. That's right. Don't go out there and be dumb, be stupid out there and get all kind of crazy stuff around here. And right now they got a lot of killing going on, y'all. Okay? Just be safe out there. But anyway, my fish is frying, y'all, and I hope y'all see it. And stuff like that. Y'all see it pretty good? Oh yeah, looking good, looking good, looking good. Y'all see it. Sound good out here, man. I don't know my video sound will pick anything up, but birds sound good out here. You know, maybe the bird getting I'm hungry. Oh yeah. Yeah, look like that. You want them. And I'll be back, y'all. Big commercial. I'll be back, okay? All right. Just end this video. All right, y'all. I'm back, y'all. I'm already end this video. But y'all please give me a thumbs up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go short video. It ain't much. I'm gonna put the fish inside this paper plate. Okay. First, don't take that long to cook. But y'all, please give me. Look at this. Y'all like that? How that look? Huh? That look good, y'all? Huh? We bring it to y'all right now. Bring me y'all. Look at that. How that look? That look good in it, huh? Oh, I know, man. Sorry, I got with two, okay? But anyway. Y'all, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up, thumbs down if you don't like this short little video outside. Excuse me a second, I'm about to excuse me, y'all. I'm not sneezing on food. Anyway, it's the last one up. So, look at that. Look good? Oh, yeah. Okay, look at it now. All right. Now, I'm done, y'all. Y'all, please give me a thumbs up. Please. Look at that. Huh? That's a nice piece of fish. Y'all give me a thumbs up and everything else. Hit the suggestion box and everything. The bell, location. Please share my video to your friends, family, animals, or cats, or whatever, dog, a horse, I don't care. But anyway, this I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end this video, y'all. I love y'all. Peace. Thumbs up. Suggestion. Everything. Peace. I love y'all. And see y'all later.